Good morning, class 11th. So now, today we start the exercise 1.4. Find the union of each of the following pair of sets. So x is 1, 3, 5, y is 1, 2, 3. So the union of first one part is 1, 2, 3, 5. Means all the elements should came. So x union y is what? 1, 2, 3, 5. Second part A, E, I, O, U and B is A, B, C. Then A, E, I, O, U, B, C. These all are the union of second part. Third one, x is a natural number and multiple of 3. And B set is x is a natural number less than 6. So what is the union of A and B set? Look at that now. What is the multiple of that one? A set. That 1, 2. Multiple of 3 is 1, 3 and 6. And the natural number less than 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the union of these sets. That question I will do on the board. Third part, A is the set. A is the set of natural number and multiple of 3. Natural number and multiple of 3 means 1, 3, 6. You can take multiple of 3. 3 only, said not 6. So 1 and 3. And a number, natural number less than 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So A union B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fourth one is x is a natural number between 1 and 6 and B1 is 6 and 10. So answer is what? Union we have to take, so 1 to 10 complete because 6 is the common part. So the answer of fourth part is 1 to 10. Fifth one is A is the set of 1 to 3, B is the set of 5, A union B is 1 to 3 only. 5 is always there. Second question, A is equals to A comma B. B is equals to A, B, C. Is A is subset of B? Means all the elements of A are in B. Yes, A, B are in the B only. So answer is what? Yes, A is subset of B. What is A union B? You can see easily. All the elements A union B is what? A, B, C. Third question, if A and B are two sets such that A is subset of A, then what is the A union B? A and B are two sets. A is subset of B. What is A union B? See this question only. Suppose I will take the example of this question. A is subset of B means all the elements of A are coming in B. Then what is the A union B coming here? That A, B, C. This only, and this is set of the which number? B. This is the set of B. So third question answer is set of B only. Fourth one, A is equals to given 1, 2, 3, 4, B 3, 4, 5, 6, C and D are also given. Fine. We have to find something. On the next page it is A union B you have to find, A union C you have to find, and B union C, B union D, all the things you can find. I will go with the fifth part. The fifth part I will do only. A union B union C. Okay. A union B union C. But what are the sets of A and B? I don't know. Now okay. A set is 1, 2, 3, 4. I will find A union B directly by writing the sets. It is already written. I will go fifth part. First I will find A union B. Okay, A union B means A union B union C. We have to find A union B. All the elements should come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A union B is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you see that, all the elements should have to come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I have to find A union B union C. Now I have to take C also. Now this is the first set and C is the second set. So this have to come all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what are the elements of the C? 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6 is already included, so 7 or 8. So this is the A union B union C. Similarly, you can find the sixth part, seventh part. Fifth one is find the intersection of each pair of equal set of question in one. Means you have to find the intersection of all the question number 1, parts of all the question number 1. What is the common here? He is saying that common is what? 1 and 3. What is the common here? A. What is the common here? X is a natural number multiple of 3 and less than 6. Which is the common part? Only 3. 3 is the common. And what is the common here? Here 1 to 6. And here greater than 6 means 7 to 10. So nothing is common, 5. And here also nothing is common, 5 only. Now again, sixth question. It's your only. A, B, C, D are given. Find A intersection B. Common part you have to find A and B. Means common part are 7, 9, 11. B intersection. So like that only you have to do. Second part, third part, fourth part, fifth part. Now sixth part. I will tell how to do the sixth part. Sixth part is what? A intersection B union C. So first find B union C. B union C in this one. 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. B union C. Now find with A intersection. What is the common in A intersection and B union C? So I think common is 7, 9, 11 only. That is the common thing. So the answer of this one is what? 7, 9, 11. This also you can do. This with the same only this. Here, first find A intersection B, the common part of both these. Common part of both these is what? 7, 9, 11. Then find B union C. 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. And what is the common in both? Intersection. Afterwards you have to take the intersection. So it will be 7, 9, 11 only. And same as it is the 10th part. 10th part is also homework. So all the things are homework because tomorrow is the Sunday. You can do at home. Up to 6th question we have finished and total 12 questions are there. So 6th we will discuss in the next class. 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. These all we will discuss in the next class. So thank you all of you. Be safe at home.